Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here, coming to your video about this is my 1987 Oldsmobile wagon. As you can see, most of the parts are out of it because the block, the head, got a nice couple cracks where the cylinders are. So I took that mostly off before. But I got plans for this. This is going to be the new project. Because this is automatic and not manual. And I have a manual transmission right here, a 5-speed with reverse out of a Ford Ranger. I'm going to be transferring this into a, what do you call it, like a lawnmower powered car. I'm going to be using a 16 or a 20 horsepower side shaft motor. So, yeah, the thing should be pretty good. And this thing not even a quarter of a ton heavy, so it's pretty lightweight. It's about an eighth of a ton. So, yeah. So, first step, I'm going to clean this up and show you guys what the plan is. Okay guys, I took off the bag and the head. This is what it looked like. Pretty clean, but it did make too much low compression, so the rings are already gone, pretty short. So okay, first step, to remove this motor out of here. So have to get to doing that. I don't need the battery. This battery is dead. So I get to moving this. I think there are only like 4 engine mounts, not much. One of them was on top of the motor, so that's already off. So a couple more to go. Got the radiator out. It was a brand new radiator, so I'll put it off to the side and yeah. Well, if anyone wants any parts for a 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Cruiser, like the radiator, the water pump is brand new. Alternator, yeah, just hit me up because I'm not going to be using any of this. Okay guys, it's out. The motor is just hanging on the engine lifter. Got all the good parts I want off it, so that motor going to scrap. And in here we got the couplers, one on both sides. I'm going to see if I can get the cups off of the motor, and then yeah. These cups here I want to try to get off. They gotta come off somehow. Okay guys, I got the cups cut off, the transmission there. So they will just slip back on there. So everything will rotate good. And then I weld the axle across on these, nice and centered. And here, the other one here. So, yeah, and they're going to weld the axle from both of them. So, yeah, see how that works. And yeah, but now I'm going to clean this thing up take out anything I don't need. And yeah, but right now it's really lightweight. It's like jacked up like a monster truck car right now. Got some ground clearance on that thing right now. Okay, I'll get this place cleaned up here. Okay guys, I got it all cleaned up mostly. Everything mostly taken out of it. I'm keeping the wiring for now. I gotta go through it. With the whole steering setup, it's capped off. So I don't have power steering, but this car is so light, it's so easy to move it anyways. And yeah, everything off on this side. Nice big open area for the wind to come in, to cool the engine. But yeah, I'm mostly ready. So then I can start building the stuff. But that'll be until next time. I kept the blower motor. I'm going to use that, so yeah. Next time, I'm going to make a mount, hook up the axles, do a whole bunch of stuff like that. So stay tuned. And guys, if you're interested in anything else I make, there's a Facebook group on the link below.